Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2026. I'm here at Port 32 Marina. We are in slip B55, and this is an after video of the cleaning for Ursa minor. Before I show you the hull, I do have to go over your zincs. You have one 1.5 inch shaft zinc. You have one 83 millimeter max prop zinc. You have two ZCH5 transom zincs, and then you also have a zinc that goes around one of your through holes. I'll try as hard to get that in the video as possible to where I can go ahead and document that in our portal. Thank you for choosing ES Dive.